For the next section of questions, it will be the work of physical science. I have to summarize how the scientific process works. It answers questions, and it's how you answer a scientific question. Form a hypothesis. I have to give examples on how professionals use physical science. I'm going to go by how the book said that scientists use the scientific theory to do stuff in the scientific process. Okay, so they had a flight module that was a theory that it could go underwater and withstand so many pounds of pressure. That was their hypothesis. And then they collected data after they did it, and it did withstand a certain amount of pressure and a certain depth of the ocean. It was, I forgot the depth, but it did survive whenever they dropped it. And then they came out, they collected their information and data, then they came up with a conclusion, which was that this can survive this underwater depths. And that's how scientists do it. From how I know. I don't know much about how scientists do it other than what I just read it, because I don't read much stuff about science unless it involves space. I can explain more about the scientific process by using space. They had a theory in 1951, I believe, that they could go to space. So started the space race. They had a hypothesis. We're going to go to space. So they did numerous tests. A lot of tests up until 1969, of course, when they went to the moon. And then they gathered information, collected data to go to the moon from all of their tests. And then they came up with a conclusion. And that was Apollo 11 or 13, I forgot. And in 2020, we're supposedly
going to Mars.
No, that is a hypothesis of someone right now. And they are gathering information
to go to Mars.
And they will have a conclusion sometime in the next 3.5. Consider how you might prepare for a career in science. Go to college.
End of question. Go to college and learn about science.
Go into whatever branch of science you want to go into. Go to college. Thank you. This is my second video for the science homework.
Of geography. Take 2. Tell us what theme you're doing.